this waterfall we're going to keep in place. Going to add a little skimmer over there. There's like 2 pumps inside. We're going to put in the skimmer over here. Take the rocks from about here to there out. Put some bigger, like, flatter, nicer looking pieces of moss rock, Japanese steppers. I'm going to do a couple of those over there as well. There's a pump somewhere back there. Put that in the skimmer. You have one bubbler there. Add another one over there. Take the plumbing line from there, bring it around to the back to the little biofalls he has here. Don't know where the plumbing line is, but we'll run a new 1.5 inch and connect it into there. And get it back up and running.